lagi yung medida pipita contigo. Here son cocky first time ton abiga sa display pero wala na yun. Isa ang tutigan lang kaya di note. Sa she earth tinalaban no she don't care.
What's up guys, it's Lily Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing this really quick install on this Supernova wig that I did purchase. I'm just showing you guys what the packaging came in, or what came in the packaging. It did come with 2 wig caps, also an elastic band. It did come with a nice gorgeous pretty bag where you can store your wigs in, and then of course it did come with the wig. Now if you guys want to know my initial review, I do have an unboxing on this wig. You guys can go ahead and check it out. But later on in the video I will show you guys what the wig looks like and, you know, my thoughts afterwards. So just go ahead and keep watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. So much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, like, I love this hair. This color is soft. I just love it. It's amazing. So Supernova, y'all get a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Okay, I just love this hair, you guys. Like, it's just so gorgeous. Like, I love this color. I love how the roots came out, or how the knots came out. Like, I just love it. I love it so much. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you guys want to see more hair reviews, you guys just go ahead and comment down below, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn your post notification bells on. Alrighty, so until next time, I will see you guys in my next one.